In this video, you'll discover powerful Apple Watch features in watchOS 12.6, including gestures, notifications, smart stack widgets, and quick responses. Learn hidden shortcuts, customization tricks, and smart tools that make everyday Apple Watch use faster, easier, and more productive. See how simple wrist gestures can answer calls, manage notifications, and control apps without touching the screen. Explore useful tools like Control Center, Siri commands, and emergency features designed to help in everyday situations. By the end, you'll understand how to navigate your Apple Watch efficiently and unlock features many users never notice. We'll also show how to reply to messages quickly using voice, keyboard, location sharing, GIFs, and Memojis directly from notifications. Discover how Smart Stack widgets display timely information instantly by simply turning the digital crown from the watch face. Learn how to customize watch faces, add new styles, and personalize your Apple Watch to match your daily routine. You'll see how the new Notes app works on Apple Watch and how to check your activity rings quickly. Finally, we'll explore emergency safety features and system controls that make Apple Watch a powerful everyday companion. When a notification arrives on Apple Watch, you feel a gentle tap on your wrist, instantly alerting you about messages or updates. Raise your wrist to view the notification immediately and quickly interact without needing to unlock another device or open apps. Tap the Apps button beside the message field to access quick sharing tools, including location sharing, GIFs, and Memojis. These quick options help you communicate faster while keeping conversations fun, expressive, and convenient directly from your Apple Watch. You can instantly respond without interrupting your current activity, making communication smooth while on the move throughout the day. If you prefer typing or speaking responses, simply tap the message field to start dictating or typing directly from the screen. Voice dictation allows fast replies when typing feels inconvenient, especially during movement or while multitasking throughout your busy day. You can also scroll through message options and choose to send your current location instantly to a friend. Sharing your location helps others easily find you during meetings, travel situations, or unexpected moments requiring quick coordination. These communication features make Apple Watch a powerful extension of your phone without constantly needing to check it. From the watch face, you can access the Smart Stack, which displays widgets containing useful information throughout your day. Simply rotate the digital crown to scroll through widgets showing weather updates, reminders, activity progress, and other helpful information. The Smart Stack intelligently prioritizes widgets based on time, location, and your habits to show the most relevant details. You can add your favorite widgets to keep important information easily accessible without opening multiple apps every time. This system helps turn your Apple Watch into a quick information hub, always ready on your wrist.
Supported Apple Watch models introduce convenient one-handed gestures, allowing you to interact with the watch without touching the display. The double tap gesture lets you answer calls, reply to messages, open notifications, and navigate the Smart Stack easily. Simply tap your index finger and thumb together twice to trigger actions that normally require screen interaction. This feature becomes especially helpful when your other hand is busy holding objects or performing another task. You can customize what double tap controls inside the Apple Watch settings to match your personal preferences. Another helpful gesture called wrist flick helps you quickly dismiss notifications, timers, and alerts appearing on your screen. To perform this action, simply rotate your wrist away from you and bring it back toward your face. This movement immediately returns you to the watch face after interacting with notifications or temporary screens. If another notification appears, performing the wrist flick gesture again will dismiss it quickly and smoothly. These natural gestures make controlling your Apple Watch faster without relying on constant screen taps. If notifications start stacking up throughout the day, you can find all of them inside Notification Center easily. Simply swipe down from the top of the watch face to open the notification list instantly. Scroll through the alerts to review messages, reminders, or updates you might have missed earlier. To remove one notification, swipe left across it and tap the Delete button beside the alert. If you want to clear everything quickly, scroll to the top and tap Clear All Notifications. Control Center gives quick access to important system tools like Do Not Disturb, iPhone Finder, and other settings. Press the side button once to open Control Center and view the available quick toggles instantly. After adjusting the setting you need, simply press the side button again to close the Control Center. You can also customize your watch face by touching and holding it until editing options appear. From there, you can edit the design, switch faces, or create a completely new watch style. Siri is also available on Apple Watch to perform tasks like reminders, messages, and quick information searches. Press and hold the digital crown, then speak a command such as setting a reminder for tomorrow morning. You can open the home screen by pressing the digital crown and selecting apps like Activity to track fitness. Double-clicking the digital crown opens the App Switcher, where you can quickly return to recently used apps. Apple Watch also includes emergency calling features and power controls, making it a reliable and powerful everyday device.